Welcome back to Cooking with Cass. Today we're going to be making a personal favorite of mine, pizza pasta. Let's start by dicing up half a yellow onion in the classic method. We'll start by placing several cuts horizontally and several more vertically. Then flip the onion and cut it to dice it. Next we'll fry up about 6 ounces of Midamar's Halal beef bacon. You can cook this to your desired crispiness, but I left mine a little undercooked so it wasn't too crunchy in the pasta later. Now we'll let those cool on a paper towel lined plate and cut them into bite-sized pieces. Now we'll throw in 1 to 2 cups of Midamar's Halal beef pepperoni and 1 cup of Midamar's Halal beef topping. Cook those up until the pepperoni has released some of its juices. This should take about 2 minutes. In a larger pot or Dutch oven, we'll place 1 pound of Midamar's Halal ground beef and start browning that. Break that up a bit, toss in the onion, add half a tablespoon of hamburger seasoning of your choice, and mix until the seasoning is fully incorporated. We'll cook that until the beef is browned and the onions have softened. Add in cooked pepperoni and beef topping, chopped bacon, and 24 ounces of your favorite marinara or pizza sauce. We'll mix that up and bring it to a simmer for about 1 minute. Once that's good and warm, we'll add in 1 cup of freshly shredded mozzarella and Gouda cheese. Freshly shredded cheese works a lot better for melting, but pre-shredded would work okay. We'll get that all melted up and add in 16 ounces of cooked rotini pasta. I also make this with farfalle when at home, but both work great for this. And that's it. Top it with thinly sliced basil and serve it up with garlic bread and enjoy. And that's it for this week. We'll see you next week with another tasty halal recipe.